Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the screen color back to normal on your Android phone. So if it's looking a little bit weird, we can just swipe on down from the top right. And then we want to go to settings. So you might have accidentally put on some sort of accessibility setting. So we can go on down and we can go to accessibility right here and just choose this. And then we want to locate the options for our screen. So we got advanced settings right here. We want to go to vision enhancements. And we probably have something on like, we got high contrast, color inversion, color correction. So we can just turn this stuff off. And then here's color correction. So maybe you got color correction on for some reason. And we got the green, red, green, blue, grayscale, and then the intensity. So we could just try turning this off on the top. And this is typically used for people who have some sort of color deficiency. Maybe you can call them color blindness. Then we got the color filter right here. So if we got this turned off, you're going to have all these different colors. So you can look through here, reduce animations, extra dim. And then I do have on, said eye comfort shield was turned off when I had that. So if you look through these buttons, there should be an option for, well, I have extra dim right here, then eye comfort shield. If you have an eye comfort shield on, you can see it's going to make it more like a reddish kind of look to your screen. And we can just hold down on here. Here's the eye comfort shield. And this will help reduce the blue light. So if you have eye fatigue or something using your phone, try turning on eye comfort shield. I think you can also find this under settings. And then there should be an option for it under display. So you can look through here, eye comfort shield always on. Then we have the screen mode, vivid, natural. We could try just going back to the normal settings for this too. Easy. So if everything else just doesn't seem to work, we can just go to the top and go to search and just type in reset. And we can reset all the settings back to default without losing any data. So we can go to reset all settings right here. And then just reset all the settings. Don't go to factory data reset. We don't want to do that. Just go to reset all settings. If there's a settings causing your screen to look a little bit different or weird, you can just reset that right here, and it should reset it back to normal now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.